Hi guys, so I wanted to do a video on what's in my handbag. I think in order for us to get to know who I am, you have to get down and dirty, which starts with my handbag. If you don't know, I have a pretty extensive handbag collection. I do have a video up on my channel if you're interested in watching that. It kind of goes through all the handbags that I own. So you'll see designer handbag wise, I have tons to choose from. So my current handbag rotation is the Row Astra Bowling Bag, a purchase from this year, which I also have a review on my channel as well. This is one of my favorite bags ever. I've had her for a while now. I will be honest and say that I switch between this bag and this Uniqlo like crossbody bag. This is my more everyday casual bag. So if I'm running to the store or going to the gym, I like to use this one. I typically do choose my handbag based off of my outfit because it really does bother me if my outfit doesn't match my handbag. This does match a lot of my outfits, which is great because it's super casual. So let's go inside and let's see what I carry with me. And I'll try to be quick about it. You know, we don't get too bored during this video. The first one that's sticking out at me is my journal. I write down so much, whether it's thoughts, feelings. I also like lists and categories. I don't know if you guys are like that. This is the Traveler's Notebook from the Traveler's Company. This is like a nice leather bound journal. Super cute, very affordable. I do highly recommend this if you are interested in getting one of those like Louis Carmen or Paper Republic duplicate type of journals without that crazy price point. I think this one's really nice. This is my little bag. It's a chipmunk bag, but I carry my microphones. I don't know, I think I got it from Amazon. I use it for my phone because this doesn't fit on my mic on my camera, so I just use it for my phone. My wallet, this is the Chanel card holder. I've had this for years. It is lambskin with silver hardware. It's super cute. My phone is in here for now because I just threw her in here. I don't have a case for my phone. Yes, I think I'm a little psycho for that. I do have this vintage watch. This is the Anne Klein watch. It doesn't work. I do need to get this fixed. But how cute is it? It's such a stunning piece. Major statement piece for me. I love to wear her on most of my outfits just because I feel like it really makes up a lot of little gold with the silver. Just helps with the mixed metals sometimes. I just think it's such a big statement piece of this watch. It's so unique. A pair of grippy socks. I am a Legree instructor at a studio. I just carry socks with me because I'm always working. I have my keys. I have some lip stuff. It's the Summer Fridays Butter Balm and Vanilla. This is just a regular water lip chapstick with SPF in it. I love this size, by the way, of the Summer Fridays. I think they're the perfect size. Oh, here's my gigantic anchor. I keep it for my phones. It's usually here if I know I'm going to do a lot of filming or photographs or whatever, so I can charge my phone. It's just handy to have with like, look at this. This looks like I'm a savage, but it was my kids. This needs to go to trash, but I do carry gum with me. I have this topicals one I forgot to include, but this one is really nice. I like to use it when I'm working out or doing like walks outside because it does keep my lips very protected and hydrated. I will say it is a little sticky on me. I don't know if anyone else has that problem, but I don't mind it. I actually still like to use it. So I do carry wired headphones with me just because I have the Sony over-the-head headphones, and those are so just like bulky and in the way, and honestly can't fit it in my purse all the time. Realistically, I like to carry my wired headphones. And then I have a random band-aid because my son hurt himself. I have a hair clip. I always keep a hair clip with me because sometimes if my hair is down, my hair half up, half down, just keep it out of my face most of the time. I don't know the brand. Super nice. I love the size of it. And as somebody who has pretty thin hair, just like really grips well into my scalp, you know, which I love. Last one is my medication. That's my acne medication. So when I know I'm going to be past 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm like, okay, I gotta take it with me. So that's the only reason. The last stuff are in the pockets. I have random things apparently in here. I have this Medica medicated face powder. It's a Japanese face powder that's good for acne prone skin. I do kind of like it, but I feel like it really makes me white because, well, the powder's white. It really does whiten your face a lot. So I do have this one. And then I have this Japanese hand sanitizer. Love this one. It's like a nice gel. I have a brush because I used it for the powder, which I haven't used this. I think this has just been sitting in my bag for a long time. So that is it for everything in my purse. Something I don't have that I do bring with me separately. I do have extra batteries, extra SD cards, and then this is just like, so this is my camera holder. That is everything that's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoy. I feel like this is a great way to get to know somebody, is what's in their bag. Plus, I'm pretty nosy myself and I should clean my bags out more often. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy. So thanks for everybody who's been subscribing. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.